What's good, guys? This is Sergio from Flyzone Drone. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a juicy flick on your FPV drone, and I will show you how to do that on the controller, and I'm going to show you step by step, slow motion, how to use your sticks to do the juicy flick. Don't go anywhere, you're going to learn something. Alright guys, this is how you do a juicy flick. I'm going to show you step by step in slow motion so you guys get the idea. So first step you're going to do is the throttle is here and the pitch is here, forward and then throttle up, right? So half throttle, half pitch, half right. Okay, so half throttle, half pitch, half right, and that's it.
There's a lot